Hey guys, it's Nukid from Nukid.com, and in this video I'll be doing a speed test between the TECNO Phantom 8 on the left and the Camon X Pro on the right. Before we begin, kindly hit that red button down below to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when the next video drops. The Phantom 8 uses the Helio P25 chipset, while the Camon X Pro uses the Helio P23 chipset. Now let's restart both devices so we know which one boots up first. Both are running on different Android and HiOS versions, with the Camon X Pro running on Android 8.1 Oreo with HiOS 3.3 slapped on it, while the Phantom 8 runs on Android 7.0 Nougat with HiOS 3.0 on it. The Camon X Pro boots up faster, with the Phantom 8 coming in 15 seconds later. Now all the apps are closed on both and both are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Let's take a look at the RAM on both of these. Phantom 8 has 6GB of RAM, out of which 1.36GB is used up, while the Camon X Pro has 4GB of RAM with 2GB used up. Now let's open Twitter on both. Camon X Pro takes this one. Let's open notifications and leave it there. Now let's open Instagram. The Phantom 8 open Instagram faster. Let's visit profile. Open a picture and leave it there. Now Facebook. Phantom 8 takes this one, leading the Camon X Pro with about 8 seconds. Let's go to notification and leave it there. Open Snapchat. It's a draw on Snapchat. Let's open YouTube. This one is a draw as well. Open subscriptions and leave it there. Open Eagle News. I think the Phantom 8 was slightly faster. Open football/sports and leave it there. Open Play Store. Camon X Pro was slightly faster. Let's go to games and leave it there. Open Antutu Benchmarks. And now we can see the Antutu benchmarks on both of these devices. Surprising result, I might add. Now I'm going to skip this row for the games. I would really like to push that RAM later in this video. Now let's open Snapseed. It's a draw. Let's see camera. Phantom 8 was slightly faster. Messages. That's a draw on messages. Settings. It's a draw on settings. Speed test. Camon X Pro is slightly faster. Now before we open all of our games, let's see if that RAM held all the apps we just opened on both devices. Twitter. Both open Twitter where we left off. Instagram. Both open Instagram where we left off. Facebook. Same for Facebook. YouTube. Same for YouTube. Now with Play Store, the Camon X refreshed Play Store and took us back home. Now let's open some games. Asphalt 8. The Camon X Pro opened Asphalt 8 faster by 2 seconds. Let's open Mario Run. Camon X Pro open Mario Run faster. Let's open Subway Surfers. The Camon X Pro loaded up faster as well. and lastly Tempo Run 2. The Camon X Pro loaded all the games faster, and this is where we conclude our speed test. Now let's test that RAM management between the 6GB RAM on the Phantom 8 and the 4GB on the Camon X Pro. Snapchat. Camon X Pro refreshed Snapchat. Eagle News. Both refreshed Eagle News app. Antutu Benchmarks. They are both still where we left off. Snapseed. Both refreshed Snapseed. Camera. They both kept the camera open. Messages. They both kept the messages running. Settings. Camon X Pro refreshed settings. Speed test. Both refreshed speed test app. Twitter. We're still where we left off. Instagram. We're still on the same page we left off. Facebook. No refresh on Facebook whatsoever. YouTube. Both remained on the same page on YouTube. Play Store. The Camon X Pro refreshed Play Store. Asphalt 8. The Phantom 8 kept the Asphalt 8 running while the Camon X Pro is reloading it. This is probably owing to that 6GB of RAM. Super Mario. Both are reloading Super Mario. Subway Surfers. Both are reloading Subway Surfers. Tempo Run 2. Both are reloading Tempo Run 2. So that's the conclusion of this speed test. Let me know what other phones you would like me to compare with the Camon X Pro in the comment section down below. Till next time guys, peace.